Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing some products and I'll be doing a full wash day with them. So guys, I ended up recording the video and realized that I had missed one unboxing out, so I'm going to do that now. This one has some products called Love Your Coils. Short form is called LUS. So this is a PR package as well. It's like a 3-step kind of treatment. So you've got the shampoo. So it says it's sulphate-free shampoos. It has some oils and stuff. So it's like a moisturizing shampoo. It's sulphate-free. And then the conditioner is silicone-free. It's got shea butter, moringa oil. Ingredients. Yeah, they've got some oils and butters in this. The conditioner, let's see, apply to wet clean hair from root to tip, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes, add some water, gently comb through with a white toothed comb, rinse thoroughly with cool water. And then this is the styler. So the styler is all-in-one repair, hydrate and style. So this product is activated by water and must be applied to wet clean hair. Section hair, wet thoroughly, distribute product and style as you normally would. A little goes a long way with this product. So this product in quotes is supposed to help, or it's supposed to be able to hold a wash and go. So we will see guys. Quite excited to try these products. They were sent to me and I would like to review them. So yeah, look forward to a review from Love Your Coils. And guys, if you've used Love Your Coils, let me know what you thought about them, but I will be reviewing them. It's exciting if you can use 3 products and that's it, you know. So that's what I'm aiming at, you know, on my wash day, not using too many products, just shampoo, conditioner, styler if I can. So yeah, I'll be using this product and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. So it's wash day, so I'm trying this product. This is like many months after that initial video, so sorry about that. I had detangled my hair and I put them into twists, and it was shrunken and I didn't want to go with tangled hair. So first of all, I saturate my hair with water, and also because I was rinsing out the product I used to detangle my hair, I used the African Pride pre-shampoo treatment. I'm sure you guys know, yeah, just this one at the top right hand corner. And yeah, I ensure my hair is fully saturated, and then I go in with the Love Your Coils shampoo. It's a sulfate free shampoo. It has this gel consistency, clear consistency, but it lathers really well. Like a little actually goes a long way. I was so surprised that it lathered so much. Can you see just that one I put? It lathered so much. I didn't shampoo my hair twice on this day. I just used the same shampoo, working it on my scalp and as well as on my strands. So there was a big debate on Instagram about do not shampoo your strands, shampoo only your scalp. I'm not going to go into it, but I shampoo my scalp and I also wash my strands because I use gel and products on my strands. So I focus on scrubbing my scalp, but obviously shampoo touches my hair. So now I rinse out that shampoo. If you notice, it lathered less because I had rinsed it out before. So this is like the second rinse. So I didn't put shampoo twice on this occasion, just once. So once my hair is fully rinsed out, I'm going to go in with the Love Your Coils conditioner. So this one, trust them when they say a little goes a long way. Look, I keep pouring and pouring and pouring. I did not know what I was going to expect. It was very, very foamy, so it lathers a lot. So usually you should emulsify your products, but because I had put so much into my hand at once, I couldn't emulsify it. So I was just kind of applying it on my hair like that. As you can see, I'm not applying it properly, but I kind of went in with my hands. I emulsified what was left, but my crown, can you see that middle? It's not really covered, but eventually I will get to it. So I just kept working the conditioner into my hair, and then I just began to see it lathering. It was behaving like a shampoo in a way. Like when I mean shampoo, I mean in terms of lather. It was foaming up a lot. So a little goes a long way, and it was really detangling my hair. It was making my hair really soft. I love the conditioner. I love the shampoo. The shampoo felt quite cleansing, or would you say it had a stripping feeling? You know, when sometimes you think when it says sulfate free that you would expect for it to like be moisturizing, but actually it was kind of, it had that squeaky clean feeling that sometimes I actually look for depending on how I've been wearing my hair. So yeah, I just keep going in with the conditioner. At this point, I had already detangled some parts. As you can see, I have some twists around. I just kept going in with the conditioner, and then I was going in with my fingers, then the brush. So see how I use the brush. I start with the tips. I then go in gradually in a vertical motion. Then I turn the brush to be horizontal. As you can see, the brush is gliding through easily. I was quite impressed. Like, you can see that there's no resistance with this conditioner at all. I really liked how it felt when I detangled my hair. So I just carried on detangling, and once that was done, I then sectioned that and twisted it away. So I carried on doing this for the rest of my hair. And when I finished doing this, can you see the foaming? It's really lathering. I mean, the conditioner. Will I say foaming or lathering? I don't even know what to call it. But yeah, that was the last section. So I just carried on doing the same thing. Then I rinsed out. Sorry that I don't have a full footage of the rinse because my camera battery died here. So I rinsed out the conditioner thoroughly, and then I'm going to go into styling. So this is where we're going to test this styler. So the Love Your Coils comes with a styler. It's supposed to work for kinky coily hair. So I put the styler into my hands. It looks like a leave-in conditioner. It also says a little goes a long way. To me, I thought that was a little. I emulsified it, and then I applied it to that part of my hair that was kind of still wet. Well, nothing was happening. Guys, you can see it. Nothing was happening here. Honestly, I was, you know, trying to define the curls or none. And nothing was happening, guys. Nothing was happening. I had to clip that one away because like it was distracting me. I didn't know what was going on here. I kept, you know, putting the product into my hair. It says, you know, apply the product and style normally. I thought it would at least define my coils slightly, but it's not a gel, so I don't know why I expected that it would do that. Look, at this point, I'm very disappointed because it's a Sunday morning and I'm teaching in church and I need to leave the house. Like, I cannot really spend my time trying to do something that is not working out. So guys, look, my hair just looks I've put leave-in conditioner into it. You can see like no coils were being defined. So yeah, I was quite disappointed. So I just kept going on. I don't know why I didn't give up. I just kept going on till I eventually told myself, you know what, spritz your hair with some water and see if it makes a difference. But at the same time, that will help dilute the product because I didn't want to go ahead to style my hair with gels because that's the only thing I could do at this point. And then maybe it interferes with the gels and then causes crazy flakes. So then I also used the same little product that I had and went around the whole hair. So the little I had, I kind of applied it and went around the whole hair. So that was what I did. So I have finished styling the hair. I ended up using my staple products, which are Uncle Funky's Daughter and Innocence. I'll show you. So Uncle Funky's Daughter Coily Magic and the Innocence. Yeah, so those are the two products that I used. They're my staple products. Remember, I had the other product, that's why it's probably white. I had this on, but this one is not making any sense, honestly. It doesn't work for me. So I'm just going to dab the excess water and then I'm going under the dryer now. So this is how it looks. So I don't know why it doesn't have any hold, no definition. I was really disappointed with the hairstyle. I think it's because I rushed. You know, I rushed it and then quickly went to church. Anyway, that's it now. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.